Hey everyone, Nick with Vector here. Today, we're talking about how corrosion affects you. Every day, we pass by countless concrete structures without a second thought. But hidden within the steel-reinforced skeletons lies a silent corrosive threat. Corrosion in reinforced concrete is more than just an aesthetic issue. It's a ticking time bomb for your structural integrity. You see, when steel rebar rusts, structurally useful cross-section is lost. But upon rusting, that same steel also expands, pushing on concrete from the inside out as it grows, causing the concrete to crack, which, if unchecked, could lead to structural demise. This isn't just about property damage. It's about safety, economic loss, and our social responsibility. In North America alone, the cost of repairing corroded infrastructure runs into the billions of dollars annually. But why should you care? Because the fallout affects us all. From traffic delays due to emergency repairs, to increased taxes for infrastructure upkeep, all the way to the worst case scenario, sudden structural failures and loss of life. The societal costs are immense. Now, you might be wondering, why haven't I heard more about this problem before? Well, it's like that weird noise your car makes. You ignore it until it becomes a full-blown breakdown and you're on the freeway. But fear not, we're here to change that. So what can we do? We can advocate for regular testing and maintenance to catch corrosion early. We can support the use of corrosion-resistant materials and sustainable construction practices. By understanding the importance of corrosion, we can take action. We can build a future where our structures are not just made to last, but are built with the well-being of our society and planet in mind. It's not just about concrete and steel. It's about our commitment to a sustainable world. Have you seen cracking and crumbling structures, but not sure if it's corrosion? Check out our next video on how to spot corrosion. But until next time, let's save some structures.